sa ano. Matangay, Gonzales, Puno.
Ano yung si...
Reklamo yung news para makita.
Gayon. Natatlo lang tayo.
The Shooting Stars. The Smokers. Bright Supreme. And for our volleyball teams, Winter Sapphire. TBC Phoenix. Pentagram. The Queens. MPBL. The Star Black Panther. And Rainbow Sparkers. Welcome everyone for our Thousand Fairs Mercedes-Benz Summer League 2025. May I call on our guest from picture na lang daw po. We can have a photo with Miss Claudette Ambida, our counselor. And of course, Doc June Belberabe for counselor. Bokal, Bokal. Bokal, Doc June. And counselor Claudette Ambida. Kumusta po kayo? Labis po ako natutuwa dahil ang ating mga kabataan ay abala sa bola at hindi sa droga. Ano po? Dahil gusto ko healthy ang bawat isang Batanggenyo. Muli po, Doc June Belberabe, may bukal na kayo, may doktor pa kayo. Magandang hapon mula po sa Team EBD. Good luck po sa inyong lahat. Bukala Claudette Ambida. Yan.
Palakpakan po natin ang Sorosoro Mercedes Parcel 4! Yan, wag po kayo mag-alala. Alam ko po kayo ang bida. Ngayong hapon kami po nandito lang para po sumuporta at ipakita na kami po talaga ay kaisa ninyo sa inyo pong mga programang pangpalakasan. Lalo tigit, ito po ay pinagsama-samang junior at mga senior. Kaya, congratulations po sa Homeowners Association ng Sorosoro Mercedes Homeowners Association Parcel 4 at mula po sa Team EPT, Mayor Beverly D. Macuja, Congressman Marvin Marinho, kami pong lahat ay kaisa nyo po at kung meron pa po kami may itulong sa inyo po na palaro at mga programa dito po sa Parcel 4, wag po kayong magdadalawang isip. Kami po ay lagi niyong kasama at kakampi. Maraming salamat po muli, Konsihala Claudette Ambida, nagsasabi po ng Happy Easter Sunday sa ating lahat. Maraming pong salamat.
Ayan! Ngayon po, atin pong tinatawagan si Miss Hana Escuto para sa atin pong invocation. Palakpakan po muna. Yo.
Sige po, tayo po ay sandalin niyo po at tayo po ay manalangin. Dakila namin Diyos Ama, sa hapon pong ito, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa napakagandang araw, Panginoon, na patuloy mo kaming ginigising lahat, Panginoon. Salamat po sa kabutihan mo at biyaya mo sa bawat isa. Itinataas po namin sa oras na ito ang aming pong palaro. Nawa po ikaw po ang manguna at ikaw po ang gumabay sa bawat isa. Nawa po ay matapos ang gawain nito, Panginoon, ng walang nasasaktan, Panginoon. At ikaw po ang sumama sa bawat isa. Gayun din naman sa mga gagamitin mo na mga committee, Panginoon, ikaw po ang sumama sa kanila, Panginoon, at maggabay. Sa bawat isa po, samahan mo kami, bigyan mo kami ng lakas, ikaw po patuloy na mag-ingat sa amin. Sa'yo lamang po ang papuri at pagsamba. Ito po ang aming panalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Maraming salamat, Miss Hana. At ngayon po ay tinatawagan natin ang ating Pangulo ng ating Hana Honors Association. Walang iba kundi si Miss Maria Cristina Dimaapi, Parcel 4 HOA President. Para sa kanyang opening remarks.
Hello, Parcel 4! Mga players! Ano? Okay pa ba kayo? Okay. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa ating mga players. Dahil kahit mainit, nandito, nagtitiis kayo. Salamat po sa mga magulang na sumuporta, saka sa mga managers. Sa ating pong tatlong komite na sampung lahat talaga dito, maraming salamat po. For the first time po, ang Parcel 4 ay nagkaroon ng ganitong paliga. Kaya sa ating mga players, disiplina po at sana po ay umpisahan natin ngayon ng maganda at matapos po ng maganda. Sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon po. Good luck po sa inyong lahat, mga players. Galingan nyo lahat.
Ayan. Including design and layout, 40% uniqueness. So for the criteria of judging for our best in news, so beauty 35%, confidence and projection 30%, TikTok fans 20%, audience impact 15% with a grand total of 100%. So meron po tayo dalawang news na pipiliin. Wala sa atin pong mga bisitang judge na atin pong kinuha from napakalayo pang Parcel 4. So atin pong tutunghayan ang kanila pong talento, yung atin pong mga news dito sa atin pong Parcel 4 basketball court. Okay, well, yung atin pong Vice President, Sir Kevin, ino-orient lamang po yung atin pong mga judges para po sa atin pong criteria of judging. So, palakpakan po muna sa bawat isa at nakahanda na po ba ang inyong mga news para sa atin pong counting palatuntunan. Ayun. So for our first judge, Miss Cindy Carmela De Castro is a junior high school teacher at the University of Batangas, Batangas City Campus for 6 years. Graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English at Batangas State University Main Campus 1 and currently pursuing master's degree at the same school. Aside from her being a member, co-chairman and chairman in the different school-based committees, she had consistently been acting as the trainer of contestants and judge in different speech competitions inside and outside the university. Wag naman akong i-judge ma'am sa speech ko. So, teaching grade 8 students since 2019, she taught English for grade 7, 9, and 10. Ako, baka ako ma-judge sa aking English proficiency. Has a great interest in literature, baking, and watching movies. So, for our next judge, palakpakan mo muna, Miss Cindy Carmela de Castro. Tayo mo muna yan, ma'am. Yun, oh. So, next, our next judge is Miss Alina Jane Escares, a 27-year-old Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English cum laude in the Golden Gate Colleges. Graduated Masters of Arts in Education major in English with thesis in Golden Gate, also secondary school teacher at Talumpok Integrated School Senior High School Department. Head as the Miss Intramurals first runner-up at Golden Gate Colleges 2015. Napakabigat naman ng title ni ma'am. Meron pang Miss Teen San Agapito first runner-up 2016. Miss College of Education and Business Administration in 2016. Miss Golden Gate Colleges 2017. Mutianang Alangilan fifth runner-up 2018. Miss Gender and Development 2023 District 1. Miss Teachers Day District Level first runner-up 2023. Let's all welcome Miss Alia Jane Escares. Tayo naman si ma'am. Palakpakan naman po kay ma'am. And our third judge, Sir Jasper. Soriano is the Mr. BSP 2018, Mr. DepEd 2019, BSBA Graduate Education, and Education Graduate. Can you stand up, Sir Jasper Soriano? So that's our third. Grabe na, ang bibigat ng mga judges natin. So with that, may we call on our contestants from our different teams. Basketball team and volleyball team. Dito sa front. So dito po kayo, lahat po ng mga muse dito po sa front. Dito po kayo. So may muse ang basketball, may muse din ang volleyball. So ito po ang mga muse ng volleyball, dito po ang mga muse ng basketball. Palakpakan naman sa mga muse natin ng Parcel 4 Summer League 2025. Yan o. So can I have a simple interview with our muse? Habang pinaprepare ni Vice President at ni Committee Chair yung ating pong mga tugbog. So, name, age, and what are you representing? Meaning, anong pangalan ng inyong team?
My name is Ashley A. Mendoza. Representing BLZN.
Okay, balak-balan!
I am Viola Arellano, representing the basketball team of Leon. is Chanel Hassan. I am representing the PVC Fearless Phoenix. A pleasant afternoon to everyone. I am Yashini Belgasa, representing Team LPC. I am Trisha Jean Angela Binaga, representing Black Panther.
Uniform lang po ako.
Good afternoon, everyone. And this is Jane Baez, representing the Queen. Hello, my name is Angel Arantia, Randolph Tigers.
Okay, now you see them up close and personal. So ngayon po, we will be having a simple ramp ng ating pong mga muse mula po doon, papaganon. So you'll be having a parang simple lang po na ramp modeling or catwalk, ano ba tawag ba? For each po na team muse ng basketball and volleyball teams. So para po makita po ng ating pong mga judge, talagang galing pa sa mga pageantry yung ating pong mga judge, kaya ating pong music po na konti, yun ha. Yan, habang
Enjoy Barkada moments with the new Cornetto app.
wala po tayong pambili ng premium, kaya meron po tayong app. Start with BLJN. So, dito po, papaganan po kayo. Sige. Welcome from Shooting Stars. Now let's all welcome from Bright Supreme.
Reason to celebrate, but you know we gon' have a ball. Champagne spilling from the wall, and I'll be partying till hella late. But I ain't worried, not at all. Just give my driver a call, yeah. Pick me up at 8
A round of applause for Winter Summer.
Let's go all night, baby. You won't find no later. We'll talk like I told you.
Let's go on BBC Phoenix. Let's move on for Miss MPVI! Our news from the Spiker!
You see the way he keeps me safe with the treble and the bass. I feel free enough to party hard. This stress won't go to waste. Feels like I own the place, yeah. Be the boss. You see the
Okay, last but not definitely the least, from Random Spiker!
there's no one that can do it.
Okay, and now you saw our news up close and personal. Ngayon po, we will be asking po yung ating pong mga judge. Alam ko medyo parang nahihirapan kayo. Gawa ng napakagaganda ng mga taga-Parcel 4 at iba po naming mga kasamahan from different parcels and malapit na barangay. Yes pa?
Wala pa po.
Okay, and now let's move on. Ngayon, ipapakita natin.
Okay na po ayo. TikTok na tayo.
Okay, meron po tayong sabing mga lalapit po sa ating mga muse, ang ating pong Vice President for a very good innovation number. Mga team captain o yung mga captain boys from basketball and volleyball. Lahat po ng mga captain boys, pumunta po dito. We will be having a lighting ballot lahat ng captain boys, both basketball and volleyball. Pumunta po dito for a simple briefing at saka po, konti lang po instruction. Perfect, sir. We'll be giving a parang instruction to our captain boys. Punta din po yung captain ball ng basketball. Lahat ng mga captain ball ng basketball, punta din po dun. Dun. Captain ball ng basketball, punta po kayo doon. GMCC, BLZN, sir. Yan. Okay!
When you ride it, side, baby, you a star, stay, when you reach it, give me everything, girl, come in, yeah, I'm on
Dito po sana, meron po tayong gagawin para sa ating pong lighting power sports. Ngayon po ay konti pong steps backwards. Atras po kayo ng konti, mga players, basketball and volleyball players, coaches, managers. Atras po muna kayo ng konti. kasi tayo will be having a simple writing of torch. It symbolizes yung atin pong unity at yung atin pong sportsmanship. Keep safe para po sa ating pong torch lighting. So keep safe. Pakungunahan po tayo ng ating president. Kaya naman Miss Baby, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Be happy. Okay, inabot na po ng ating president sa ating pong mga... Hoy, akala ko pala takbo yan.
Esse é o bonde do Brunão. Esse é até o chão. Esse é o bonde do Brunão.
Okay! Hoy! Okay, palakpakan for the lighting of our torch. Pinangalan ng ating mga captain balls. At ngayon po, ang ating pong oath of sportsmanship na pangungunahan po ni Sir Dexter na nagpapatay pa po ng ilaw. Pinapanood po natin siyang iyon. Sir Dex, safe ba yun doon? Okay, Sir Dex, oath of sportsmanship. Sino po? Ano tawagin? Tinatawagan po namin si Miss Annalore Baez for the oath of sportsmanship. Sir Kevin, where are you? Wait lang po. Ganyan po talaga pagka ayun, habang hinahanap ang oath of sportsmanship, ma'am, bigyan nyo kami ng counting. Ano yan? Bakit kailangan natin magkaroon ng oath of sportsmanship, ma'am? Ano pong gagawin? Tataas po ba nilang kanilang kanang kamay? Okay.
Taas po natin ang ating kanang kamay. I state your name, Annalore M. Baez, a participant of Quarter 4, Summer League, do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all conditions, agreement, rule, regulation which has been set forth by the organizer of this tournament. A competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest form and standard of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what count most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belongingness, peace, and community with my competitors. I now therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman in thought, in words, and indeed in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory and of the honor of my team. So help me.
Thank you, Miss Annalore Baez, for the oath of sportsmanship. So now, dadako na po tayo sa announcing of winners and giving of our certificates. Pwede na po kayong bumalik sa inyong kanya-kanyang mga team members. Okay. Okay.
Baliw ako sa kanyang mga halik. Okay lang di maiwasan na mamiss paminsan-minsan.
Okay, ngayon po, ibalik natin yung ating pong mga muse. Dito po sa unahan. Yan, sakto, hindi na po masyadong mainit. Lahat po ng mga muse, tinatawagan po ulit sa unahan para po sa ating pong final wrap and presentation of talents. Sige na po. Yan o. Palakpak muna po. Bago tayo mag-start ng ating pong mga palaro, syempre, naririyan po at sire-represent tayo ng ating pong mga muse from different nating team members. So, now, ngayon po, ito po yung kasiyahan naman. We will be having a simple dance, TikTok dance, mula po sa ating pong mga muse. Dito po kayo sa medyo unahan. Pare-pare, isang ano po, isang wash-up lang po yan. Tatawagan po namin kayo isa-isa. We will be having few seconds lang. Hindi naman minutes, no? Pagod ka doon. So, we'll be having a simple few minutes para sa presentation ng TikTok dance. Then I'll be calling all your participating team. At syempre, palakpakan nyo naman bilang mga team members yung inyong pong mga kasamahan. So, kayo po, tinatawagan ko po si Sir Kevin. So, okay po. Let's all welcome Blazing! Palakpakan naman! There you go! Right, go! Let's all go! Gio and Susie! And then there's the
Pabalik sa Manila, ako ay nananabik. Sa kanyang mga halik. Okay lang di maiwasan na mamiss paminsan-minsan. Pero pag kami nakita, aking panggigigilan.
Okay, and now let's go on Miss Shooting Stars! Okay, and now, thank you, Miss Shooting Star. Let's say Bright Supreme! Hey, habol. Okay, habol.
Pabalik sa Manila, ako ay nananabik.
Okay, let's go on Miss Bright Supreme!
Okay lang di maiwasan na mamiss paminsan. Balik sa Manila, ako ay nananabik. Mabalik ako sa kanyang mga
Let's go! Let's go on Miss River Sabay! Thank you, Miss Bright Supreme! Let's go on Miss River Sabay!
hindi ko siya titikit.
Hey! Para sa akin po, Miss River Sabay! So, CBC Spirit! Let's go!
Your bag.
Okay, and now let's go on MVP! Let's go! Palakpakan naman sa mga MVP para naman kailangan ng ating news!
Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
Oh, let's go! Miss Black Bear!
may nakita aking panggigigilan ko siya.
Okay! And now, let's go on! All of our views, nasasayawin ang isang song! Gawin natin ito parang party! Let's go! Lagayo! Hey! Papayag ba kayo na yung mga miss nyo lang yung sasayaw? Okay, let's go! Hey, players! Let's go! Hey, let's go! Okay, thank you, our views! Palakpakan naman po sa ating mga muse and all players! So, thank you. Balik na po kayo sa ating pong mga... Siyempre, yung ating pong Certificate of Appreciation. So, we will be calling our Treasurer, Vice President, ating President, at saka po ang ating pong Committee Head dito sa unahan para pabigyan ng ating pong parangal for the Certificate of Appreciation. Basahin ko lang po yung text. Certificate of Appreciation is given to for, same lang din naman po yung ilalagay natin, for his or her generous, exemplary contribution and worthwhile services as the team manager for basketball team. So we'll be having volleyball team also. Given this 20th day of April 2025 at Parcel 4, Mercedes Home, Sorso, Reglaya, the basketball court. So signed, Dexter Y. Rotero, Parcel 4, Chair Committee on Youth, Sports, and Development. So, then our President, Maria Cristina Marasigan Di Maapi, Parcel 4, HOA President. So, yun po, we will be having certificate for... basketball team, Bright Supreme. Let's call on the manager from Bright Supreme. Palakpakan naman po mga kaparcel at mga kasama po dito. Let's call on the manager from BLZN. Palakpakan naman po to our manager. Okay, let's call on none other than the manager from GOMCC herself, our Treasurer. And of course, the manager for our Shooting Stars basketball team. Let's call on our president. And now, let's call on the team manager for volleyball team. Let's call on Black Panther. Black Panther manager. team, the Queens. Okay, next is the team manager for MD6 team, Camacho. Next, we call on the team manager for volleyball team, Winter Sapphire. Yun, sila! May palakpakan naman po kayo for the Winter Sapphire. Ito, maraming salamat po for supporting our team. Next po, we'll be giving certificate for Random Spiker Team Manager Volleyball Team. Next, Volleyball Team Manager Printaglam. Okay, and now the team manager for PVC Fearless Phoenix. And now, let's call on manager from the team Spiker. Okay, the purple Spiker. Okay, thank you sa ating pong mga managers. Nako, hindi po magiging posible ang atin pong palaro kung wala po yung atin pong mga sponsors na generous sa atin pong mga palarong ito. So, acknowledging din yung ating pong teams, Lokach. Lahat po ng mga judges, patong niyo po muna ng inyong mga certificate para po ibigay natin yung atin pong mga best in TikTok Award. So, let's call on our judges dito po sa ating pong unahan. Yan, para po sa ating photo. Dito po sa gitna, sir, ma'am. Yan, para po ating pong i-award yung ating best TikTok. And our best TikTok, wala po ba yung music for Glimmer. Best TikTok Award goes to TikTok Award is awarded to Black Panther.
Kissy face, sexy bite. I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
And again, another TikTok award is awarded to GOMCC. Vegas Best TikTok. Up. So, certificate of recognition is given to MP6 Team Kamastor, Best in Uniform Volleyball. Team Let's Go Red at number 8, please come forward. One of my team members. Certificate of recognition is given to GMCC Best in Uniform Basketball during the Basketball Summer Basketball and Volleyball League 2025. All members, please come forward. Okay, so the certificate of recognition, yung po makakatanggap ito ng news, best in news will be given away yung sash as recognition and of course a trophy and a gift or token from our committee. So, certificate of recognition is awarded to Black Panther for Best News Basketball Volleyball Team Person for Summer Basketball and Volleyball League 2025. Okay, certificate of recognition is awarded to GMCC Basketball Team Summer Basketball and Volleyball League 2025.